Romeo, oh Romeo, where art thou, oh Romeo? And I do, here, I guess, I'm here, for Christ's sake. Line. What? 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 For what? What? Jesus. Was this even written by a human being? Like, or was this like one of those fucking science pranks where they put like a million monkeys in a room, but then the monkeys actually like come up with something legible, and so like that isn't poop throwing, and so like the scientists let them live. But Mishu, this is Shakespeare. He invented. Wait. Did you fucking even read this? Did you fucking read this? Are children allowed to read this? She's 14. Well, this explains the final scene, I guess. Because they were following the logic of a 14-year-old brat, for fuck's sake. Like, are you even aware of what 14-year-olds do nowadays, huh? Because I can't keep up. Are they still licking one another's eyeballs this week? I don't know. Maybe there's something else. Maybe there's something related to butts. Who knows? Kids today need to be put on Xanax at the age of 3 because of all the weird shit they've been exposed to already. Okay. So what the fuck am I supposed to be saying now? Oh, okay. Okay. Chick that I have just met 5 minutes ago, everything you're suggesting, including the final scene, makes complete, reasonable fucking sense. I mean, Jesus Christ. No wonder British people in the Renaissance cut their own dicks off. I don't know. I don't know anyone Elizabethan, thank you very much. Give me a break. Jesus Christ, I'm hungover. This is not what I need today. I need a smoke.